Hello everyone, my name is Patience Ishimi. Today, as the responsive of Shanset TV, I plan to show you how you can just increase the speed of your computer. There are like 7 steps that we use in order to increase the speed of our computers. Okay, I'm going to show you 7 of them. There are many steps or many ways that are used to increase the speed of a computer, but for me I'm going to show you 7 only. Okay, let us start with step number 1. Step number 1 is called disable unwanted startup programs. We talk about startup programs. Those are programs that are starting up when you open or when you shut on, when you open your computer. They open automatically without opening them, to be that they learn. Startup programs, to be that they learn without opening them. And then those programs, they can weaken the speed of your computer because they are learning when you don't open them. When you want to open, for example, Microsoft Word or other programs for programming, for those ones who did programming, to me that they will weaken it. Okay, I'm not sure how you can just disable them and then the computer will work very fast. Okay, you will come here on this tab. You see, for me, I put it here on the top, but for you, I know that it is there down. You will see it down, but for me, it is there. You click here, then you click left, right click like this. Then you search where task manager. You click on it. After clicking on it, you come here on startup. After coming on startup, you see that there are more apps that are in startup applications or startup programs. What we do, we go there and choose any program, some programs that run in the background, but don't enable Microsoft Word or Microsoft compilation application. For example, this Microsoft compilation or this Microsoft compilation or others, when you disable them, your computer will not work very well because they are embedded. To me, that they are not supposed to be enabled, no, disabled. Okay, let us see, for example, any application which we are supposed to be disabled. For example, V3 is an application that I don't want. I will click on it like this. After clicking on it, I will click on disable. When you click on disable, you see that now the application is disabled. To me, that it will not work in the background. It will work when you want it. You will go there and search, you search V3, and then the application will be opened. Okay, let us close it. That was the first, the step number 1. That was step number 1. Step number 1, it is disable unwanted startup programs, and I show you how you can do it. Okay, let us go on step number 2. Step number 2 is called defragment and optimized drives. Defragment and optimized drive. To me, that is to make your drive or your hard drive to work very fast. To me, that by moving some unwanted files. Here, you will come in search, and then after coming in search, come there or click on search, and then write defragment, and optimize drives, and then you click on it. After clicking on it, they will give you a tab which is like this. And then what you will do for you will just click on this C drive like this. You click on it like this. After clicking on it, you will come here and click on optimize, as our step is called defragment and optimize drives. You will click on optimize. When you click on optimize, it will start analyze. It will start analyze the things that is going to optimize, and then you will wait until the process is finished. You will wait until the process is finished. You see that it is reaching on 70%. Then you will wait until it reaches on 100%. You will wait. You wait until it is finished. When it finish, here it will show you okay. Then you click on okay. For me, because my machine or my laptop is optimized and deflagged, For me, I will close it, and then when you are doing it, you have to wait until it reaches on 100%. Okay, let us go to the other step. The other step is called delete unnecessary temporary files. When I talk about delete unnecessary temporary files, it means that those are files that are not needed. When, for example, you are just typing a document in Microsoft Word or Microsoft Excel, you know that they are saved on documents or other or any other path. For example, they can be saved on desktop or C drive, even in documents or libraries, anywhere. To me, that you save them as your own. But those files, they're not saved by you. They are saved by the machine, to mean that they are there like rubbish, to mean that you are supposed to clean them. Okay, let me show you how you can just clean them. You just go there in search, click on search, then after clicking on search, you type run, R-U-N, run, as the way of running in the load, run. And then after clicking on run, you will type percentage, the sign of percentage, temp, and then percentage. You click on OK. After doing that, they will give you a list of many unwanted or temporary files. What we do is to select all of them by controlling A. Then after you clean all of them, for me, because my machine is working very well, there are no unwanted files. For me, it is clean. But for you, will see a lot of unused or unnecessary files in your temp folder there, and then you will clean all of them. After cleaning all of them, you click on OK, then you close. Again, you come back on search. After coming on search, you will write again run, R-U-N, run, like this. Then after writing run, again you will type temp, but without putting two percentages. The percentage that starts the word and the percentage that ends the word. You will write temp on without those signs of percentage. Then you click on OK. Again, you will come to another folder. That folder also will contain other useless files, unused files, or rubbish. Let's call them rubbish because they weaken your machine. Okay, you will click on it, and then after you delete all of them. For you, I know that there will be many, because for me, I just make those steps like twice a week. To me, that 2 times per week. It's the reason why is that there are no more and useless files. And then you will clean all of them. Clean. After cleaning them, you will come back on search. You click on search. After clicking on search, you will again type run. Click on run. Then after, you type prefetch. P-R-E-F-E-T-C-H. Don't be confused because I put them there down in the recommendation. Mean that when you are watching this video, I will show you where you can see those words that they can help you. Mean that I know most of you can just forget them. Prefetch. Then you click OK. After clicking, you see that even me, I clean my machine, or I just delete temporary files every day. But you see that I have more. You will click Control A. After clicking Control A by using other traditional way of selecting, you will delete all those useless files like this. You will delete all of them. You will delete, try again. When it be like this, you try again until that file is finished to be clean. Delete. You see that they are coming again. Delete, try again until they are already finished to be cleaned. Then you close. To mean that step is finished. You have finished already to clean useless file or unnecessary temporary files. And then you will come back here. You see that they are in recycle bin. You just right click and then empty recycle bin. And then, are you sure you want to permanently delete these 27 items? Yes. You clean them. And then after cleaning them, you see that our recycle bin is empty. Now we are just keeping on step number 4. Step number 4 is called clean up memory. Clean up memory. Clean up memory. It's called clean up memory. How we do that? We come here on File Explorer. File Explorer. You see File Explorer, and then you click on it like this. Double click. It will be open, and then you come here down. You click on this PC. This PC. And then you search the local disk that is having this logo of Microsoft. This one of Microsoft, please. When you just go to the other one, which is not having this Microsoft logo, it will not work very well. To me, that you are supposed to search the drive that is having this logo of Microsoft, because most of the temporary files go there. You click here, and then come on Properties. After coming on Properties, you will see here, as we said that our step is called clean up memory. You will see disk clean up. Click on disk clean up. Disk clean up. Don't be confused that our disk is going to be cleaned. After you come here, and then they show you clean up system files. Clean up system files. You click on clean up system files. And then after you wait a moment, it will be cleaned very fast. They will be cleaned very fast. And then after, you shall skip on another step. You wait a moment. Be cleaned very fast. Faster. It is cleaning, calculating, that is cleaning faster. And after you will wait. You think it will take like a couple of minutes, 2 minutes. And then after that, you will click on OK. OK. And then after, are you sure you want to permanently delete these files? Then you will click on delete files. And now the files that are being deleted on our disk, even on our system, now you see that they are already finished. I think it will take like 30 seconds. 30 seconds, they are enough to mean that our system is already cleaned. Then you wait a moment until all those unnecessary and unnecessary files, they are cleaned on our machine. As you start this, now you see that is already finished. You will click on OK. Now they are cleaned. To mean that our 4th step is clean up memory. Don't be confused that you are not cleaning your files. Now the other one, it is called reduce run service. Reduce run service. How will we do that? We shall come here. Then after coming here, we shall click again, or we shall type, not click, type run. Click here, run. Then we type msconfig, msconfig, and then msconfig. Okay. Then after clicking on you will come here. You see general, boot, services, startup, tools. You click on services. Then after, note that some secure Microsoft services may not be disabled. You will click on hide all Microsoft service. Step number 7, as I was saying, we just go to the other step, which is called Registry Tweaks. Registry Tweaks. In this Registry Tweaks, we deal with what we call learning time. For example, you see that a mouse is here. To mean that we are just going to configure a few speed, to mean that, for example, if it is having 400, I know most of your computers, the mouse hover or the mouse speed is having 400. To mean that we are going to reduce it, and then it reaches on 10. We are going to see how we do that. We come here, you click on search, or we click on search here. Then after click on search, you type run again. Run, we use it every day. Run is a good application. You click on run and then write regedit. Regedit, R-E-G-E-D-I-T. And then after clicking that, writing that, typing that in the open tab, then you will do what? Open bar. You will do what? Click OK. I know most of you, the machine will. Do you want to allow this app to make change to your device? Registry editor, you will click yes. And after clicking yes, they will show you something here. They will show you high H keys class root. No, you click here H key current user. Click on this one. I think this is the sign of greater than. Click on it, and then after it's now it is looking down. Then you will come here. You click on control panel. Control panel. You click on control panel, and then after clicking on control panel, or you pressing control panel, you will come here. You click on desktop like this. Desktop. Not doing like this. No. You click like this. Double click. A double click, and then you come. You search. You go down. You search mouse running. No, many, not mouse. Many show delay. When we talk about many show delay, do that when you click. I will show you when you finish the video. When you click on the folder, for example, or an application, it will come in like 2 seconds. Clicking only is like searching something on internet. You click on many show delay. You see that it is having 400. You click, double click. You see 400 value data, many show delay, value data. You change it to 10. That we are using 390. You listen the way we are just going to make our computers working faster. Then you click OK. After clicking OK, you come back. You click again on mouse, and then you will search where there is mouse hover time. Mouse hover time. You see that also it is having 400. What you will do again, you will click on it and then change it to 10 again. You click OK. When you finish that, it's OK. You cross. Mean that this step number 6 is already finished. Now we are just going to do another step. Step number 8. Step number 8 is to change something that I will show you. You see that, for example, is that this folder is called HTML. Flask SQL Alchemy. New folder. You see that even if this is a folder which is closed, you are seeing something which is inside. This is not good, please, my friends. This is not good. We are supposed to remove this one, and then we see the folder only without seeing the things which are inside the folder. You listen to me. We are supposed to see the folder only without seeing without seeing something which are inside there. Those things that weaken our machine. By showing those titles, they are not needed. I'm going to show you how we just remove that one, and then our computer works faster. Okay. What you will do, we come here, click on search, you type system. You can use this way, but a good way that you can use is to, instead of typing system, because I know most of you cannot see system as you wish, you will write control panel, and then click, double click. And then after that, what you will do, you will come on system and security. Then you see now system and maintenance, no, Windows Defender fireware, no. You click on system, and then you will come here, advanced system setting. Advanced system setting. Now, what you will do, you will not click on computer name or hardware or advanced or system protection or remote. You will click on advanced. You must be logged on as an administrator to make most of these changes. Mean that when you are not logged on as an administrator, when you are logged on like another user, it will not work. You're supposed to log in as an administrator. Then performance. We are dealing with performance now. visual effect processor scheduling, memory usage, and visual memory. We click on settings. After clicking on settings, you will see now they will show you visual effects. Those visual effects, for example, you see here, as I was showing you. Let us remove this one. As I was showing you this. You see, for example, this HTML. You see that we are seeing something which are in this folder. By the time the folder is closed, we are going to remove that one. What we will do is that all those ones are checked. You see all those ones are checked, animated, what and what, all of them they are checked. What we do in order to select adjust for best appearance, as this appearance, you will select adjust for best performance instead of being best appearance, because best appearance is not needed. The one that we need is the best performance. I know most of you need the appearance, but for us, most of ITs need best. Even other people who are not ITs, they need best performance instead of best appearance. You click on best appearance, best performance. You see that all those ones are unchecked. All those ones are unchecked. You will choose, for example, for me, you choose the one that you want. For example, for me, show shadow under mouse pointer is the one that I need. I don't know what you need here. Then you click OK. You see now, OK again. You see now, HTML now is closed and there are no. We are not seeing something which is in HTML. We are seeing an empty folder. When we click on it, is when we shall see the things which are inside that folder. Okay, I think that thing is already finished, and then I'm going to show you how my computer is working very well. As you see that all steps we have done, there are 7 steps that you shall do twice a week in order to make your computer working faster as it can. Okay, let me show you how now my computer is working very well. And then after finishing that, you will restart. How to restart a computer? You come here, you click on start naming, and then you come here on this button, you click on this, and then it's not sleep, not shut down, restart. For us, we shall restart it. I think for you, you have finished to restart your computer. You restart your computer in order to insert those settings that you have put. Now you see that my computer now is working faster. I'm going to show you. There is a button to be click on this folder. You see, if folder even is opening like in 2 seconds. For example, when I go and search and I click Chrome. For example, my Chrome, Google Chrome. It is open like in 2 minutes. No, 2 seconds. It opens it faster as it can. My machine is working. Look at faster as it can. When you click on any folder, for example, this project is 0, you see faster, opening faster. Okay, that was the way you can just make your computer working faster. Okay, thank you, and don't forget, if you like this video, don't forget to click on like and put a comment by telling me the things that I can talk about on the next session of this program of Science TV. And then don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. And then don't forget to subscribe, as I told you, and then